Printed out my own wrench last night. I printed this out in 41 minutes on one of these. 39. Hey, this is Caroline. Today I'm coming to you from Rice Russell Innovation Center for Entrepreneurs. I'm with my friend John here. So John, introduce yourself.
Well, hello everyone. My name is John Exum. I'm President and Executive Director of Technologies of Color. I am part of Project 3 of the Georgia AIM Project. We're so excited to share with you cool things about this 3D printer.
Why are we talking about 3D printing?
So we're talking about 3D printing because with 3D printing, you can print out some really cool items for yourself, or if you have a company, you can print some samples and things for your business as well with 3D printing.
So when we had a lot of supply chain problems during the pandemic, what did? We started 3D printing.
Right.
3D printed face shields for healthcare workers. Today's environment, in a manufacturing environment, let's say a part breaks on the assembly line. All right, so can we shut down the assembly line for 2 weeks while we wait for this part?
No, we cannot. No way.
What should we do then?
What could we do is, if we have one of these wonderful printers, let's just say your wrench breaks and you're on the assembly line. Instead of waiting 2 weeks for another wrench, you can go to the team who has 3D printers, print out a brand new wrench, and keep on working. No need to stop the whole process. We can leverage these 3D printers to print our tools, our samples, and all types of things.
Printed out my own wrench last night. I printed this out in 41 minutes on one of these.
39.
On one of these printers. This is a Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon.
Yes.
This is something you can buy as a consumer. And then there's also a cheaper version. I have the cheaper version at home, the Bamboo Labs P1S. What we're going to do is we're going to link down to this in the description field, and you can print one of these yourselves. My soap holder. So I made these little soap holders at home. I did the design myself. So instead of buying a soap holder, I am now making a soap holder. I don't have to wait for Amazon to deliver my soap holder in any soap holding emergency. I'm all set. If you don't know about CAD drawing, don't worry about it. So you can invest in a 3D printer first.
Yes.
If somebody's interested in getting into 3D design, but they're not ready to make their own designs yet, they can download a bunch of free models off the internet, right?
Correct.
Okay, so what is your favorite place to download free models off the internet?
My two favorite places are Printables and Thingiverse.
If you want to get into design, there's also Tinkercad. What does CAD stand for?
Computer Aided Design.
All right, perfect. Yay. All right, so everybody who wants to get into computer aided design, Tinkercad, and there's a ton of free tutorials all over YouTube on how to learn how to use Tinkercad.
One of those cool things that I did want to share is for all of us who have phones, instead of buying your own case, you can 3D print it. Here is a 3D printed iPhone case for your iPhone. So this right here will fit iPhone 13 or 14 Max. And this took roughly about 2 hours to print. You can print out your own iPhone cases. And we got this file actually from Thingiverse.
Excellent. All right. Good job. Good job. Save a lot of money on those phone cases.
Yeah.
That can add up. Okay. So now you're going to tell me about a specific project that you used with the 3D printer back here. What is holding up this camera over here?
So what's holding up this camera is a camera attachment. Assists us in helping us manage the angles of the camera so we can adjust it up and down. And what we had happen was, upon transporting this vignette at different locations, our actual camera mount bent. And so instead of us going on Amazon trying to get another part, we just went to our 3D printer, found the file of Thinkable, downloaded it, printed, and now we have a brand new replacement part on our printer. And it only took 2 hours. 2 hours to get a new part.
Instead of 2 days with Amazon or 2 weeks from China. So, John, I want to say thank you very much for your time today and showing me the 3D printing here at Georgia AIM Rice Russell Innovation Center for Entrepreneurs. Please consider donating and please consider following them on social as well. Thank you very much.
Peace.